And I also want to mention that when you come to the park, you're going to see a lot of people who are volunteers. And as you know, a volunteer is somebody that gives their time with no strings attached. These people all love it when the kids come through our park. And we have a special guest in the park right now. We have a beautiful swan who is injured. And she's going to live with us in the park forever, I guess. And she told me, very quietly, the swans have very tiny voices. She said, my name is Alice, and I can't wait to see the children. So I can't wait to have you come to the park. You're going to be welcome, we're going to have fun, and we're going to use the binoculars. Thank you.